Okay, so after getting it out of the bag, this is the box that it comes in. Yeah. And I'm really excited to open it because I really want to see this painting firsthand. I saw it on a video, which is why I ordered it, but I ordered it, pre-ordered it during the summer, and I could not wait to get it open, or to get it. So here we go. I'm going to pull it out. All righty. There we go. Well, I'm going to unroll this painting now. I pulled the packing list out so I can show you what the picture is. And here's the picture I ordered. It's called Christmas Mashmellow. And, of course, you see the name Joy on there. Yeah, that's why I got it, because my name's Joy. Isn't that a darling picture? And the specifics of this is it's 60 by 75 centimeters for the drill area. 23.62 inches by 29.53 inches. Okay. There's 47 colors. There's 2 ABs and 3 rhinestones. Wow. That's going to be sparkly, huh? And poured glue. And it's a round drill. So I pre-ordered this from, gosh, it must have been back in May. I don't know, during the summertime I pre-ordered it. Excuse me. Oh my goodness. And it finally came. So it's a Christmas painting, and I just wanted, I love Christmas time. So anyway, I got this froggy in my throat, excuse me. I'm going to start to open it so you can see it. Okay, it's a legally licensed painting by Zyler Z. I like that name, Zyler Z. Okay, maybe make it a little closer here. There we go. Okay, like I said, there's 47 colors in there. Let me go ahead and go back out again here so we can get the whole painting in here. Okay, I'm going to move it down to about here. All right, so I'm going to start to unroll it. Yeah, you can see all the colors in it already. Look at that. Look at that. And we'll get to those drills and we can show you the crystals and the ABs as soon as I get this open. I didn't really look at this one until when I pulled this out, so it's going to be new to me too. A lot of confetti I can see right now, but it's going to end. Confetti is what makes everything beautiful. Okay, as I keep going here, we're going to keep unrolling it. Okay, so here's my name, Joy. And look at this, Christmas cookies here, and gingerbread man with little lights on it, little decorations on it. Look at all the Christmassy, the lights over here. And look at the legs hanging out of the cup. Now this is the cup. Look at the legs hanging out of the cup and the feet. Yeah, it's cute. It's cute the way the painting is. So I'm going to keep doing this now. I'm going to keep unrolling it. Okay, and we're going to take these drills out here. I'm going to take we'll go through the toolkit in a second. But I'm going to keep unrolling this so you can see how beautiful. It's very unusual. I think that's why I also liked it too. It's just a fun looking painting. So I'm going to try and roll this the other way, try to get the wrinkles out of it. Let's see. Oh. And it's a nice canvas. It's not, flocked or anything, but it's still nice and smooth. It's got the serged edges on it. Very nice canvas. And, it's from Enabler's Outpost, of course. All right. Yeah, I saw a video on this. I can't find the video anymore, but I saw a video on this of the unboxing, and I just loved it, and I had to get it. Okay, let's roll it this way. All right, and the poured glue, it's easy to do that. It's very smooth. There's no big creases in it. Look at that. It's just nice and smooth. I love the canvas. I love the canvas. Look at her pretty face. She's just smiling and she's giving the A-OK on her fingers there. Yeah, like the A-OK. And there's another gingerbread man with the Christmas hat on. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Sorry for the glare up here. I got my light going on. But anyway, take a look at it. Here's the marshmallows. Look at that. She's smashing the marshmallows. It's Christmas marshmallow. Look at that face. It reminds me of the old-time 20s and 30s cartoon pictures, advertising pictures that they used to do. Kind of gives you a little bit of nostalgia there. So anyway, get the glare out so you can see it better. Just look at that. There's Christmas lights. It looks like some type of something folded there. Can't quite make it out. But the drill field, look how clear that drill field is. Look at that. So there's going to be no problem of finding where the drills go, finding the symbols. So anyway, isn't this, it's different. I guess that's what caught my attention. And here's her signature down here, Zyler Z. Cool. You don't see that a lot in paintings where they put their signature, but I just like the joy. I like the joy, yeah. But I don't know if I'll get it done for this Christmas, but I know definitely for next Christmas I will. I'll probably, be able to start on during the year and get it done for next Christmas. I have a couple of other ones that are stored up. But Enabler's Outpost, this is pretty cool. I've never heard of this artist. I'm not sure if it's a new one that they've just signed. But yeah, this was a pre-order. I was lucky. They had a closing date, so I was lucky to get in. I saw the video just a couple of days before the ending date of ordering it. So if I put it this way, can you see the picture? Can you see the better picture of it? Cool, huh? Okay, so let's put this, big picture, reds and all the Christmas greens and everything in there. Yeah. So let me move this out of the way, and we'll look at the drills. Okay, got the drills here, and so Elizabeth and Edward Inslee are the owners of Enabler's Outpost. So let's open the bag here and see what the toolkit involves. Looks like a standard toolkit, but, we'll open it up and look. I'm going to get it out here. All right, let's see if we get it out. Oh, it's the tray that's kind of stuck in there. Okay, let's try to pour everything out here, see what we got. Okay, we got a little tub of blue wax. I like blue wax. I use the blue wax in my multi-placers. Seems to last quite a while, so that's good. We've got some tweezers, sharp tweezers. I like the sharp ones. They usually come in with squares, but I like them. I collect these because I know eventually these tweezers, the tips will bend on you, so I collect these. I love getting the sharp ones. Oh, there's something else in here. Oh, yes, and we got the scrunchie for the pen. We got the standard diamond painting pen that comes with the kits. I saved these for the tips. I just replace all my diamond painting pens with these tips, so when the brass gets all nicked up and everything, I just pull it out and go get another one of these. So these I saved too. And the scrunchie, if you're new to diamond painting, which most of you know, the scrunchie goes on your pen like so. So you can if you don't, it's not necessary to get a custom diamond painting pen. I mean, these pens will work for you just the same. And so they give you the scrunchie so your fingers don't get tired of holding this tiny little straw. And then we've got the basic drill tray with the spout. Okay. And then we've got some extra multi-placers. We got a 4-placer and we've got a 7-placer. And these will go on the end here or on whatever pen you're using. There you go. A lot of times they come and they don't have the number on the multi-placer, but these have the number, so it's good to know. I like to know what numbers, how many drills I can pick up. Okay, so we'll go to the drills, and I want to, oh, I see some crystals right there already, so let's go ahead. We'll open them. I'm not going to go through every single color drill. You can kind of tell all the colors here. All right. And I probably forgot to introduce myself since I get so excited about opening the packages and stuff. I'm Joy, and you're watching Joy's Happy Hobbies. I have lots of hobbies. Diamond painting is one of the main ones, but I do all kinds of hobbies. I can look through my playlist and see what I've done. Okay, so here we got, let me get here. Let's see if I can get a little bit closer. There we go. So these are C900s. They're red, appropriate for Christmas. Red crystals. This is really cool to have these crystals in here. Okay. And we got some gold crystals. Look at that. Gold crystals. Yep. Here are the ABs. We got a little bag of purple ABs. See how they shine? Purple ABs. ABs, for those of you who are new at diamond painting, means Aurora Borealis, and it's a shiny coating that they put on the drills to make that shine on there. I don't know if you can see that shine, how they twinkle. Yeah, it's probably a little blurry, but sorry about that. And then we've got the 5200 ABs. So we're going to have some nice bling. I don't know if you can see, this twinkles too. It's hard to see the white, but yeah, you can see a little bit. Okay, so here's some other crystals. Okay, we got red. We got these red ones here, and then these are like maroon. So these are really pretty. Really nice crystals for that. And then these are the rest of the colors. As I said, it's a round painting, and the color, the drills are very nice. You can see there's not, I don't see any junk just by looking through the package. Okay, so these are the colors. Oh, those two are almost the same. That's 961 and that's 900. Yeah, so those are kind of the same. And we've got all these colors here. Nice baggies. It's nice to have them in the baggies instead of having to cut open the cellophane. Because if you have a bag that's too big, too much to fill your tray with, you can keep the extra in the baggie, and they don't spill out. Cool. So there's 47 colors. They're kind of, there they are. 47 colors. Oh, this painting's going to be so nice to do. Merry, Merry Christmas. I love Christmas. And so there you go. There's all the drills, all the colors. So we take a look at the painting one more time. Just to leave you with this. And while you're looking at this painting, let me get it out again here. And while you're looking at the painting, I just want to remind you that if you haven't already, and you like what you see, and you like to watch my unboxings or the different crafts that I do, don't forget to subscribe. The button's right underneath. I can't get my finger the right way. Right underneath there. And don't forget to click on the bell, because that will get you signed up for any new videos that I come out with. They'll notify you. You'll get a message saying Joy's Happy Hobbies has a new video. And the like button, which is down here, hit the like button. I like to know that people like it. So those are the three things. In the description box, I'll have the link to Nibbler's Outpost, to their website and to their Facebook group. And then I have the link to my Facebook group, which is Joy's Diamond Painting and More. Most of the time, maybe all the time, I post my finished paintings on my Facebook group page. And so just keep checking that. Go ahead and sign up for my Facebook group, and I usually, I'll get my finished work on there so you can see. So, keep track of that so you don't miss anything. You might like something that I've completed and want to order it. Okay, I think that's it. I think that is it. I just wanted to show you that I was so excited to get this painting. I was so excited. I mean, I got a painting that says Joy on it. I just like the little girl in there. I like her shoes. I just like her face. Look at that big smile, and her eye. I just love it. Okay, I'm going to close out now, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you have any questions or something I didn't explain right or didn't say right, just whatever, go ahead and put it in the comment section below, and I will answer you, or I will acknowledge that I read your comment. Okay, so until the next time, we'll see you later. Bye.